Right, so I'm gonna show you another example using the 10 a.m. open. This was on Thursday, so yeah, Thursday this week. So, first thing we're gonna see, and I'm gonna cover this in the top-down analysis, but this is basically like a top-down analysis trade. So this is, in my opinion, a pretty good video to watch. It's gonna be like it's gonna cover the PXL, PXH concept, key open, and change in state of delivery all in one. Plus, we got some sauce down here that I haven't talked about yet. But yeah, so you guys see, let's go on the 1 hour. We sweep. Actually, we can't see shit on the 1 hour. Never mind. We sweep the previous day's high. Then we immediately have this inducement leg down. And for those of you who don't know inducement, it's just like a fake move, like manipulation move to create stop orders up here to then sweep and, you know, do its thing. So we have this inducement, which is, I mean, this is 8:30s. We got like 1 hour and 30 minutes until we got the 10 a.m. open. So we're not gonna touch this inducement anyway. And price rarely soup daily highs and lows like this, unless there's like a huge level right above. And then just go down. It's usually like, it does a lot of fuckery before. Like if you see this, it's gonna fuck around. Manipulate, accumulate, blah blah blah, sweep out both sides. All that shit. And then bro, can I? Right. And then we re-sweep, and we sweep pretty significantly as well, which is something you want to see. We have this untouched data low down here, so that's going to be our bias. I obviously haven't made a data low and high video yet, but data highs and lows are just, they're special because they're like Newswicks. Bro, I don't even know why they're special. They just fucking work. I read something about it once, like there's something's programmed and blah blah blah, and it's like engineered liquidity basically. Anyways, we get this change in state of delivery on the 30-minute and on the 15-minute, yeah, right here, which is also the 9 a.m. open-ish. So we want to see a retracement back into there. We still, at this point, have not gotten our 10 a.m. open. But that's going to be like real soon. I think that's 10 a.m. open. And it taps into this, which is the change in state of delivery, and it rejects pretty hard. And we get that strong close below the 10 a.m. open, which I talked about in the last video, and we also get this inversion without taking this low, and most importantly, without taking the data low. There's a bunch of engineered liquidity, like this is all just low resistance liquidity, which is gonna get taken out. But for this trade, you're basically just gonna target data low, because that's all we need. There's no need to get greedy with this. So that's 77.5, 2 ticks of fuckery. Then we do 5-point stop. TP at data lows. That's a 1 to 8. That's fucking, oh my god, please. There we go. 1 to 8. That's more than we could ever ask for. Does not take that low. That's important. If it took that low, you could still target data lows if you got this entry, but it's just going to be lower probability. taps into the tick at the 10 a.m. open in this 1 minute inverse, and just basically, yeah, I think this went like a lot further, yeah. So if you want to catch like huge expansions, you can also do that. Just basically when it hits this, put your stop loss to break even, or trail it to like a 1 to 3 and do like risk free, or even like you're in the money if you get stopped, if you just want to like hold for an expansion move, because this fucking went, bro. This shit just went. Or just scale out if you're in more than one con, blah blah blah. You guys know that stuff. Basically just targeting all this low resistance liquidity. I think there was some equal lows somewhere around here too, yeah. So holy fuck, bro. Holy fuck. Right, yeah. Anyways, that was just a example of how to use everything kind of in accordance with each other. You got the previous day high swept, you got your manipulation, accumulation, distribution, blah blah blah. You got your change in state of delivery. Then if you're just like, if you're patient, I know a lot of you guys trade like right at market open, which is when, like, I think I even traded this bullshit right here. I think I got stopped in this bullshit trying to catch the data low. While in reality, I should have just waited for the change in state of delivery to happen, and this exact setup right here. Yeah, I think even I got stopped in this bullshit. I think this wick fucking stopped me out. So yeah, patience is something even I have to practice. I'm just teaching you guys the technicals that I've like watched over a long period of time, just watching the price for hours and hours and hours. Like, I'm seeing this shit just like tick and move. We gotta take advantage of that, but I'm not gonna sit here and pretend like I have perfect psychology and a perfect mentality, and that I don't like, I don't at all, bro. Like, I'm impatient as fuck when it comes to trading sometimes. And I want to revenge trade a lot, and I want to overtrade. I want to over leverage when price stops me out like this and goes in my direction. But we can't. We just fucking can't. But yeah, that was a holy yap attack. I'm gonna move on to the next video. Goodbye.